What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, every single video I have to always request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. So I need the likes to go up, comments to go up, shares to go up, subscribes to go up, everything to go up, people, man. Come on, let's get this up. And yeah, so without rambling on too much, let's get into this video. This video, I have done so many Puma videos before. Like I do a lot of Puma, or I did, and then I took a long break from Puma. I'm still slightly on a Puma break, just because I haven't really seen much that's a bit different. I've seen a few, but you know, I'm still holding on for sales and stuff like that. But this pair, you know, because of winter and stuff, I had to kind of quickly grab a pair to show everyone. Puma, the red Puma box. I don't want to waste everyone's time. Everyone's seen this box before. You know, with the soft foam, optimal comfort on it. Let's just get into the details. So that's got a hair on it, lovely. No, we don't crop things out. We keep it organic. So that's Puma X-ray speed, and then it's black dark shadow. It's just black. Adults UK 10.5, Europe 45, US 11.5, centimeters 29.5, made in China. So this is a pair of X-ray speed in a triple black colorway. So, you know, something for those winter months, or, you know, I'd say slightly winter, but not crazy winter. It's just winter because it's triple black. But let's just quickly do an overview. The bottom, it's got that Puma sole. It's not very grippy, I have to be honest. So I have to be honest, very honest with you people. It's not the most grippy. Definitely indoors grippy, no problem. If there's a bit of ice, etc., it can be a problem with these, as you'll just slip and slide everywhere. So just take that into account if you are going to purchase any Puma or Pumas like these. Not very grippy, if we're honest. It's quite flat, you know. It's got bits of grip here, but it's not amazingly grippy. So take that into account, people. Midsole, blacked out. Upper, blacked out. So it's got quite a few different layers. It does have a mesh layer back there. So it's got mesh under the Puma swoosh. No, I'm joking. Under the Puma logo, there's a mesh bit. Then it's got kind of like a taped bit there. You know, that tape that these companies use. And then it's got another bit of plasticky type of leather. Then the upper's got that. So the mesh, leather, just a few different materials. Toe box also, leather wraparound. Then the top mesh, you know, for breathable and stuff. With the mesh, I do like that because it doesn't really crease and stuff. It looks quite good. For a winterized version, they would have definitely put leather there. The mesh does make sure that, for example, if you get in gym and stuff, it is breathable so your feet don't stink. For the winter, I'd just say spray that with a waterproof spray. There's many brands which everyone knows. And then same here, midsole black, all blacked out. Just giving everyone like a closer look. On the tongue, it's got the Puma logo, and it says Puma in their famous font. Let's put that back there. Then it's got those Puma laces, the flat laces. They are quite different to the Nike laces and stuff. I do quite like these laces when they are fresh. They stayed, you know, they stay quite tied up and quite good. So, you know, very good laces. Solid. I like the drop of them. take out this noisy bit, and then it's got the soft foam plus, obviously there is a sticker on it, and it's optimal comfort. But the reason behind that is, if I can get it out, soft foam, literally foam insole. Very soft, very comfortable, I have to say. So you can wear these, for example, in the gym all day if you're on your feet a lot, whatever. On the move, if you even wear them, like for example, I don't know, if you're out all day or traveling or something, amazing. So I do have quite a lot of Pumas, and I do have to say that one thing they do is, you know, comfort. Like, they are quite comfortable, not extremely comfortable, like I don't want to exaggerate it at all, but they are quite comfortable. Like, there's no comfort issues I've had previously. Obviously, if you are on your feet a lot, they might end up hurting at the end of the day, but that's just that. Even the liner, quite a thick liner. And on the back, so the heel, and then kind of around it, but then it gets quite thin, and then there's like no liner there, but it's still, you know, quite a good shoe. And they're not very heavy, that's what I like about them as well. Again, it's got the label, so it's stuck in, it's not stitched or anything, which obviously makes it light. That's UK 10.5, Europe 45, US 11.5, and centimeters 29.5, made in China, and all the little codes and stuff. I believe that 384638-01 is the style code. So you can always chuck that into Google, write Puma and then that code, and then see if they come up, and then where you can buy them from, etc. But yeah, people, man, a very nice shoe, triple black, classic colorway. As we all know, triple blacks, you can't go wrong with triple blacks. Very nice shoes, you know, there's so many different options for triple black. You know, Air Force One, Air Max 95, Air Max 97, Air Max 98 when they were releasing them. The Reebok Classics, triple black. Pumas, triple blacks, obviously. Adidas, triple black Superstars, triple black. So many pairs. There's so many pairs. Even Converses, Vans, like most companies, if not all, even Crocs. Even Crocs, what I'm wearing on foot, even Crocs have triple black for their sneakers. So yeah, people, man, tell me if you like them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them, tell me what triple blacks you are wearing this winter. My winter triple blacks have to be the Air Max 95. I don't really have too many triple blacks. Oh, I've got the TN, sorry, I've honorable mention, the TN and the Air Max 95 triple black that I'm wearing the most. Those are like beaters. Anything else triple black is just, you know, it's just there. But yeah, these are very good. I'd say, even especially for the gym and stuff, if you're going back and forth to the gym in the winter, you can't go wrong with a pair of triple blacks. And you can't go wrong with a pair of Pumas. But yeah, people, let me know if you hate them, rate them, tell me if you got them. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and all that good stuff. Just wait a few moments and you'll see an on-foot video. Most importantly, take care, people.